Hi, hello everyone, good morning. So, today is the second day of my 1 month. Okay, so today is the second day of my 1 month Facebook Live challenge. So, how are you doing all? And I hope you saw the replay. I hope you have seen at least the replay. And today also I did meditation. So as I was saying with you yesterday, I have started this miracle morning also from yesterday. Continuously I am doing for 30 days, and I'll see how it goes. So yesterday I did that, and so first this miracle morning is that 1 2 3 4 5 6 things we do, that is silence and affirmation, visualization, exercise, reading and writing. So in silence we can start each morning with any meditation, you can say any prayer, or you can do reflection, deep breathing or gratitude. So you can do any of these, and I am doing this meditation. uh, so it's one second. Okay, so this is Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. So I was initiated by Sadhguru, and one second, I guess some notification is coming. I hope it's going okay. Okay, right. So it's yeah, I was initiated by Sadhguru for this Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya in January. So you cannot say that it is kind of meditation only. I don't have any other words for using this. So it's a combination of the pranayama mm, and chanting. We do chanting, pranayama, then bandhas and also silently observing, that meditation part is also there. Overall it is 30 minutes and some yogasana are also there. So it's combination of everything. So I guess it's showing, one second. So I am doing this since Jan 14 continuously. So I had many benefits, like I have shared this benefits in a video. I'll share the link in the description. And also I started writing my reflection, this book, simple book. So this book, this 6 subjects book, I started writing as you can see like this. Okay. So yesterday my affirmation was I am progressing in my career coaching. So that I wrote, and I was experiencing that, and it really helped me to focus on my career, and I got the clarity also. So I was into that more, like in the meditative mood. By I was thinking about my career, and so then I of course I visualized on the same basis regarding this affirmation. I wrote the gratitude, and also I started listening to the audible audio book. So it's nice, it's simple, and it so can you see this? I Yeah, the it is called the 7 step mindset makeover. So it has 7 episodes. It's like a series. So each episode has 20 to 30 minutes. I have finished 3 steps. So I'll share the summary once I finish everything. That it has 7 steps, and for each step there is one episode. So it is finding yourself and making over your mindset and changing your like yourself for having the best life. So there are simple 7 steps required to achieve, and it's written by Dominic Bartolucci. So I'll share once I finish this book, listening to audiobook, this audiobook, and I'll share. So these are the steps. One second. So you can find this in the, I guess it's reflecting. So you can find this in the yeah, now I think you can see this. So you can find this in the Audible. For members it is free. So yeah, it is quite simple, and you can follow it, and I like this. It is interesting read. I mean interesting listen. So I'll share this in the like in our 1 or 2 days. So overall, it was good experience yesterday, and today also I finished this meditation and this thing. And today my affirmation is I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed and calm. So these days sometimes when I see that I haven't finished whatever I have planned, I get this anxiousness. So that's why today's affirmation I have kept it as I'm relaxed and calm. So today it was this all these things I covered. And yeah, today it's a little bit cloudy. Yeah, since like one week it's raining here, and now also it drizzled, and so it was nice. So someday, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll show you how it is, the nature here. So yeah, that's all for today. And once I finish this book, the 7 steps mindset makeover, I'll share with you the summary. So I do hope you have seen yesterday's and today also. Hopefully you will see the replay, and please share in the comment section how are you finding this, and have you started anything recently. Please share with me. And so that's all for today, and thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.